Amazing returns, guys. I just made $58,000. Pump and dump group just made 580% profit. Let me show the trades I share in the private list on the last 48 hours, guys. We trade Geojam, AllianceBlock, NuCypher, Serum, and ORCA. A lot of people think we make money because we buy penny coins. We don't care for the price, guys. The prices doesn't matter. We trade based in volume. Take a look at this volume here. $642,000 on the last hour. $10 million, $290 million, $1 billion, $16 million. Guys, if I made $58,000 trading these coins, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Now let's talk about the strategy behind this software here. I developed this software to calculate volume spike plus buyer power, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power. So our strategies in coins are running without volume, and out of the blue the volume spike, and we also after the volume spike you just need to calculate buyer power. Okay, first trade recap. Let me show how this thing is done. ORCA, guys, I shared this trade in the private list on January 12th. We bought this coin for 47 cents and you put a sell order right here at $1.20, guys. I made $15,000 this trade. Like I mentioned before, volume spike first. Okay, let me open the chart. The first volume spike I get it right here on January 3rd. So this coin was in my watch list for 90 days until I get a confirmation of buyer power. Remember, combination, volume spike, buyer power. That's the combination of the pump, guys. Okay, so 150%. Next trade recap, let me put it here. Boom. Let me show another thing. You're gonna move the charts left and right. You're gonna see how the volume show up here. Usually, see here, take a look at those candles here. They show up. They only show up when you go to 1 hour, maybe 15 minutes candle. Otherwise, those candles they gonna be invisible. You can't see by your eyes. You need a software to track things. What do we do here? You time the market. Right? My software is time the market. Any move, any volume spike, any buyer power, my software alert me and tell me give me a device. Take a look at that coin. Something's going on happen. That's when you make money trading this coin. My software right now is tracking 3,000 coins, guys. 3,000 coins. Any trade on the pump and dump group ahead of any trade out there, because we use this software to put us in front of anyone. Okay, Serum network, same strategy, guys. Let me show you something. Let me open the chart. Oops, this is ORCA. Serum here, volume spike right here on Monday 9, volume spike right here Monday 3rd. I was just waiting for the buyer power confirmation. Shared this trade in the private list on 12. Bought this coin for 18 cents and put a sell order right here, 49 cents, 50 cents. I made $17,000. You gotta be asking yourself, why you put a sell order right here? Guys, we use a support and resistance on the daily chart. This is a 1 hour chart. Let's go to a daily chart. Right here, you see here, there was a big support right here, resistance. Okay, 50 cents. That's how you make money, guys. You make money because we time the move, guys. Okay, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. One more trade, AllianceBlock, same strategy, guys, same strategy. Here we go. Volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, buyer power happen right here. So I shared this trade in the private list on 12. We bought this coin for 4 cents, guys, 4 cents. And you put a sell order right here, plain and simple, 10 cents. I made 12,500 single trade. Okay, guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Okay, we trade pump, guys. We don't pump coins. You gotta understand this. We don't pump coins. We follow the uptrend. The market pump the coin. We just jump in the coin on the right time. The software is about to time the move. That's what we do. We buy low, sell high, and jump to the next coin. We buy low, sell high, and jump to the next coin. Plain and simple. Like to say welcome to our new members, Maria, Patel, and Sergio. Welcome. And guys, you already know all the good stuff. Give me a like this video, share, let's trade together because together we are strong. Remember, more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. I'm gonna continue navigating here on the pump and dump software so some members can understand how this thing works. Another thing I like to say, guys, the software is not for sale. Okay, people are trying to offer me money to sell the software. The software is not for sale. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day, guys. Let me go here to trends. Oh, scalp trade uptrend. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, FTX token just pumped 12%. Perpetual protocol just pumped 15.46%. Bitcoin standard hot share 22%. Graphene protocol 16%. Guys, this is what's going on the last hour. Okay. Now let me show you what's shorting on the last hour. Guys, by the way, a lot of people ask me to I share trades on the scalp trade, and they ask me to I share trades on day trade uptrend. Guys, I can share those trades too, but you gotta understand as high risk trades. Okay, high risk trades, you need to really be in front of the computer. When you receive my mail, you go straight and trade, because if you wait 1 hour, you might lose the trend. Okay, so those coins I share in the private list, usually when they share trade in the private list, this coin will pump after 6 to 12 hours. So members has a plenty of time to set up their trades. Okay, so take a look at this. This is a 7-day chart. Price go flat, and right here, that's when the magic happen, and the price price go flat, up. Take a look at this percentage. This coin pumped 190% on the last 7 days, 200%, 60%, 70%, 162%, 100%. Amazing return, guys. Also, guys, I don't like to share day trade level 2 because just for high level trades you will understand this. Okay, that's all I got to say for today. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Give me a like this video, share. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.